So we celebrate every year Ganesh Chaturthi at a UCO. We celebrate this because one of the biggest festivals celebrated all over India, including Nepal as well, because we worship the God with love, faith, and everything. So this is one of the biggest festivals we do every year. So hopefully this will continue every year in UCO as well. So yeah, it's like a pretty very happy because I see lot of different religion people like Americans, different country people showing up here, and they are getting know about the culture of India. It's feel very amazing to know how the people are very interested to know each and every religion in India as well.
It gives them a sense of community, letting them know, hey, you guys are not alone. The point of ISA being an organization is the fact that we are trying to have events that we actively have back home. The dates might be off a little just because we can't always make it happen, but it's sort of like, yes, you're not alone. You have all of us here. We're all this strong community that you can always lean on for support. I would say, honestly, if you decide to study abroad, that's one of the most important things that you should be doing, going out, experiencing other cultures, because where else are you going to find such an explosive melting pot? So if you don't go do that, you're kind of like skipping out on something that would have probably broadened your horizon altogether.
I feel so grateful because Ganesh Chaturthi, the event, is based on cultural diversity. Like, it started because the Britishers got connection for Indians to communicate with other people in other states and country. So they started having this event as an excuse to meet and like plot up against Britishers when they were ruling us. So it's based on this cultural diversity, and it feels so nice that people from every culture, state and everywhere, they just come, celebrate with you, have fun, Indian food and dances. So yeah, I feel really good. I feel like it is really important as a student from India and as a member of Indian Student Association to represent what India actually is. It's about cultural diversity, it's about fun, it's about understanding, it's about peace between communities and not anything else or what people think of us. It's just pure love and bliss. That's all.
We are
We are Indian Student Association
ISA.